Here we go. Good luck. Craig. Box on the left or box on the right? $57 or $59. I pick. Let's go with 59. Focused. 59. Galexior, buena suerte. We'll save the autographs for last. Askar Askarov, red Prizm. 58 of 275. Silver Shamil Abdurakimov. Blue and green, or teal, whatever it's called. Vincent Luque, 42 of 75. And a blue Nate Diaz. $96 of 199. Connor Fearless. Purple. Boom! Colby Covington purple. 78 of 149. And Irene Aldana, blue. One of 199. Easy. We got a redemption. Sony Yadong. Or Song, sorry, not Sony. Song Yadong. 22 of 275. Put a redemption down. And is this our other auto? No, it is not. It is Juani Barcelos, rookie, red. 200 of 275. And Amanda Nunes, silver fearless. Thug Rose. Purple again. Jessica I. Purple. $133 of 149. Silver Jim Miller. Israel Kamaru. Red and that green color. Cynthia Calvillo. 131 of 275. And green, Justin Gaethje. .42 of 49. Zabit. Magomed Sharipov. T-City. Brian Ortega. Cerrone. Weirdo. Weirdo. Oh, this is our autograph. There's an orange. Let's show it. Jared Cannonier, orange. Ooh, blue auto. We'll save it. Purple. Joaquin Buckley, purple. Um, 120 of 149. Al Iaquinta, silver. Jair Rosenstruck, or Jair. 194 of 199, and we also have a silver Cyril Gain. Red and silver. Ian Hennish, red. .172 of 275, silver Damian Maya. All right, here we go. Good luck. Come on. UFC Panini Prizm 2021 UFC Panini Prizm Champion Signatures Prizm's Mojo card number 5 John Bones Jones. Champion Signatures Prizm Mojo. Very nice. And we still have a blue auto. Jared Cannonier was 99 of 99. And 12 of 35. Al Iaquinta, blue. Very nice. Very nice. John Jones out of 25. Al Iaquinta. A lot of color. Good stuff. Congrats, Craig. Thank you very much, senor. Appreciate it as always.